Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, it's going to be day 7. That's day 7 of digging out the crawl space. Today I might actually not be doing any digging. I'm going to clean up all of the mess that I have created and come across and from years of other people doing stuff. So I'm going to get all the insulation out, all of the roots I've dug up, all of the tidbits of concrete. I'm gonna try to get all of that junk out of the way that's I've been kind of throwing to the perimeter and just get it out of the way, get it out of here. And then that way I'll be totally prepped for just a little bit more digging, and then I'll be really ready to go to start kind of fixing up the HVAC, getting the beams put in, and then just keep on going with the project. So if you have any questions, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comment section. And then as soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content. So just to recap, we got the crawl space cleared out, cleaned out. I'm going to reassess exactly how deep I want this, and I'm going to dig down underneath this section here. I might have to pull some of the flooring, probably not, because I like it as a little work area. But I'll dig that flooring, dig this side out a little bit more closer to the footing this way, and then I might dig down the whole thing. Just gonna I need to sleep on that just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start assessing exactly how I'm gonna put my beams in underneath these floor joists, and decide on exactly how I'm gonna move this HVAC, if I need to drop it down or bring it up once I put the beams in. And once the beams are in and they have the concrete underneath them and everything, then I will basically once that's leveled, or I make at least a good flat area, solid flat area, then I'll come in and drop my extra 2x6 floor joist in, because I want those to be 12-inch on center. I don't want to leave these 24-inch on center. I want to split the middle of all of them, so I'll be 12-inch on center. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers. We appreciate everybody watching. Questions, go in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content, everybody. Appreciate you. Bigfoot out.